there, so I got a question today on how to make a duplicate copy of a spreadsheet. And this client wanted to keep it inside the same spreadsheet. So if you wanted to have an inventory tracker, but you wanted to use two of them, this is how to make a copy of the spreadsheet. So if you're here in the tab, you see the drop-down box, and then you click it, and then you're going to hit duplicate. And that's it. It makes another one for you, and then you just have to right click and then rename and copy it, you know, inventory 2 or whatever you want, and now you have a second tab. So it's that easy. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out. If you like any of my spreadsheets, feel free to click in the link in the description below to get access to my shop. So I've got 2 shops. I've got savvyandthriving.etsy.com and I've got savvyandthriving.com. So either one, I've got great reviews on either one, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.